This week I'm going to show you everything you need to know about folding rain jackets, raincoats and rain pants. Since cardigan week was such a huge success, I figured let's just do it all over again with rain jackets this time. So if you're interested in folding up your rainwear, watch out for new videos every day this week and we'll dive deep into it. Now I'm not going to mention this in the rest of the videos, but I just want to make it clear that it's very important that you actually let your coats and jackets and pants dry before you fold them up so that the water doesn't get trapped in there long term. So today I figured we'd start with the easiest way that you can fold your rain jackets, which is going to be the flat fold. So what we want to do here is start by placing our rain jacket down, and we're also going to zipper it up, close all zippers. Now I'm going to turn it around so I have the hood facing towards me. Next step is that we're going to fold down the hood here. Now I want to make sure it's flattened out, and then from here we're ready to start working on the arms. So first I'm going to take one of the arms, fold them over to the other side, like this, and then down. And we repeat on the other side as well. Now you can see we made ample space for our hood here. So now I'm going to split this jacket into 4 parts from side to side, and I'm folding in 1/4 the width on one side and 1/4 the width on the other side so that they meet in the middle here. Now at this point I'm just going to turn the jacket around here. So I have the hood facing upwards here, and I'm going to split the jacket into 3 parts from top to bottom this time. Now I'm going to start by folding up the bottom 1/3 like this. Should meet around the area with the hood here. And I'm going to take the section with the hood and I'm going to fold that over as well. And here we go. A perfectly flat folded rain jacket. Now this is going to be perfect if you want to place it in your closet, for example, just up and down like this. But I do have a bunch more effective ways that we can fold our rain jackets that I have coming up here in the next days of the challenge, or a challenge for me, I suppose. By the way, what do you think about the new closet? Kind of a new setup in here. I had to kind of cut the top off one of the drawers there, so that was fun to make it fit in here. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Tap here for day 2. This is going to be very interesting to see over the next couple of days.